What are the 7 mistakes that I should avoid if I've been involved in a car accident? If you've been involved in a car accident, I get called by clients all the time. A lot of times they do things, they say things that I just wish I could take. So here's a list of the 7 things that you should try to avoid doing. The first one is not seeking medical attention. I can't tell you how many times I've got a call from a client and they have not sought medical attention in the first 2 weeks after an accident. They're injured, but they're too busy. They're dealing with their car. They actually haven't gone to get medical treatment. If you delay getting medical treatment, the insurance company is not going to believe that you were injured. Mistake number 1 is huge. Mistake number 2 is admitting guilt or fault at the scene. If you've been involved in a car accident, if you admit that you were at fault, if you admit guilt, that may be admissible at a subsequent trial, and that may bar you from recovery at all. Now, a lot of people admit guilt or say sorry, and it can be interpreted that they were at fault, even when they don't mean so, even when they're just being a compassionate person. So you have to be careful on the words you choose to use, especially if there's an independent witness listening to what you're saying. Number 3 is refrain from discussing the accident with anyone other than your attorney or the medical professionals that you're going to see. This also means to not go on social media and talk about your accident or your injuries. When you go on social media, you're not talking to one person, you're talking to the whole world. And just so you're aware, in the state of Florida, depending on the case and the injuries, a court may mandate that you turn over your username and password to the insurance company's lawyers so they can look for incriminating statements and incriminating posts you may have made. So use your head and be smart about what you put out there into the world to protect your rights after a motor vehicle accident. Number 4 is failing to document the scene, failing to take any pictures, failing to kind of prove exactly what happened. If you feel like someone else ran a red light, there may not be video evidence of that. And if you don't preserve what happened and you don't hire an attorney to go out right away, preserve the scene. Number 5 would be accepting the first settlement offer. I've had clients that have signed up before where insurance company has driven to their house the night after the accident and offer them money to not sue, offering them a very low check. Now, I tell my client all the time, how can you possibly accept a settlement offer when you haven't even gone to the doctor yet or you're still in pain? You don't know what those injuries are going to be. Number 6, signing a document without legal advice. Now, this is universal for everything. Definitely applies to motor vehicle accidents as well. There's a reason the insurance company wants you to sign a release. They want to release themselves from any additional damages. Critical mistake if that's made prior to. And if that mistake is made, likely will not be able to help you or overturn that signing. Number 7 would be delaying and hiring an experienced personal injury attorney, someone who specializes in car accidents. This is critical from the onset. This can prevent dangers down the road, and it prevents someone like myself have to come behind and do cleanup so we can maximize the settlement value of your case. If you have been injured in a car accident, don't delay. Give me a call. Scott Leaser with the Leaser Law Firm. We're here to maximize results for you.